Hi, my name is Catherine. I am studying psychology and I am 18 years old. For the question, what were you doing last Christmas? In the last Christmas, I worked 18 theater and custard with my family. Okay, also I wear loud much and we opened the present Christmas. Also, and we cooking dinner. We cooking a delicious dinner. Um, really, I love share with my family. For the recipe, this is the perfect lunch, fast and delicious chilled pasta. Okay, ingredients: 1 pound pasta shells, 1 bowl water, 1/4 milk cream, 60-gram cream cheese, 3 sauces cut into pieces, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 scallion chopped, 2 cloves garlic crushing, salt to taste, and oil to taste. Okay, let's go. Preparation. The first thing you need is the ingredients. Okay, with all the ingredients ready, so what you need to do is to fry the cloves previously crushed and oil. Okay, and when you have done this, add the sauce previously breast in little pieces. Okay, breast in little pieces, and add chop and tomatoes and scallion chop. See, add tomatoes and scallion chop. So this is a good moment to add pasta shells and let cook slightly when you add 1 bowl water, okay? And add salt to taste and later add the milk cream. This is milk cream and add add the cream cheese. Okay? Mix the pasta and let it cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes? Okay. And then this we serve the food really ready and a lunch delicious. This is delicious. Thank you very so much.